Well guys, we've made it to the Mason car shop. Little car show's going on downtown. Here you've got this beautiful thing. Custom 1.0. Beautiful engine in there. Holy smokes. Love the rims. I love the color of this. The little lime color on it. Chevrolet. Beautiful truck there. Here we are coming over here. Seen this one all over the place here. It's a nice wood bed. International. Oh, I love driven racing. Some beautiful cars here at this car show. We could not sadly make it to the big car show downtown, so I thought I'd hit some of these little ones up. Love the rims on this one. Special Deluxe. The Mustang Mach 1.
Chevelle, wheel cylinder and
coming
brake
east.
pad and stuff.
He pulls it down and I get in there and I'm sitting around and I open up.
One was at AutoZone and the other was at
Oh man. With the car
Crossing Roll.
Well, I had originally had it. And I remember.
But I'll tell you one thing,
I originally had it.
you ever take one
We were talking about kind of surprising her.
her.
Try to get it restored.
Yeah, don't many years ago. Auto value.
Little spoiler on the back of that Mustang. Do not get over that beautiful.
So yeah, we've never, it's still got her. It is.
Yeah, they wanted us to put up last winter and got the back of the cab repainted. He painted everything underneath.
Two young kids, of course.
Yep, that truck is going around it.
Thank you.
Go inside too?
Yeah,
Look up.
Purchase is 1998. Were you around then?
it looks really good.
You born that year?
It's real nice. This is beautiful.
Motorcycles, because a lot of the time the bikes, my bikes.
I got seven down.
I bought.
Yeah, I love it. Somebody else can't.
Yeah. That happens a lot here.
Say it ain't so.
Jeff Paul. Jeff Paul.
That's nice. It seemed like it's earlier.
Well, it's a 65, but
Come over here, look at this white. Love this color. It's not a white, but it's just barely there. Got the mini model too. Here, you guys want to read this? Love all the little Smurf characters in it. Plymouth. I say that a lot for some reason. Look at this beautiful red. Oh, that's cool. And the bungee stuck to the windows. Some information about this one too. All these cars here. Walk across over to this one. Yeah, I like this one. I like the little tiny one. So someone hit him right there a little bit. I got the inside. Wow, look how beautiful. Can't get over these type of cars. Don't you wish more people would come watch these guys here. You guys are putting on a good little show for us. Thought I'd come up here and film this. I haven't got a car show yet this year. Thought we'd need one. So you know me. We're filming it all. Man, look at the interior of this thing. That is just outrageously beautiful inside. Oh, now we got the racing one. Probably one of my favorites that are here so right now. Got the bigger tires on the back.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is better.
Ooh, got the flame on the wheel. Dale Earnhardt there on the joystick. Nova down there at the bottom. The eagle all over this. Now, this is one car to look at.
Yeah, I just hit.
Got stickers right here.
Yeah. All in all.
Nice wood bed.
Brakes in the back, but it was hard because I knew what the rear end was. I'm the one that give it to him. That was out of a car I was driving.
Come here, this is one of the last ones here. Just a short little video. Little car show. Might start getting these out weekly, just to let you guys know. I think they come here weekly, Monday nights, Mesa, Michigan. Love that little Camaro sign right there. Got that there. Just look at these things. I don't know how people aren't like me with cars. I'd be so obsessed. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching today's video of the little car show going on downtown. Just a little one. Yeah, well, thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys liked the video. Catch you guys back in more of my videos. Please like and subscribe, and share this to your friends so I can hopefully get this channel bigger. Have a good day. Goodbye. This one just pulled up. All metal. Pretty cool. That was a nice drive by that one. This one's pretty cool. All done, made up. Yeah.
What is about three? You have about 3 years under you. I'm not gonna give you pictures.
You're all good.
I don't want to break. I don't want to break your camera. See ya.
It's a good looking car. Like the Mustang look on it, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
The daughter that passed away, I'm her daughter. Yeah. Yeah. That I didn't even know if it was just wanted to park in this nice and I didn't know it was
That's a great day to do it. You got the
I
right.
did.
Another new one hold up here. You did?
Yep.
They're nice.
Just out of high school. Yeah.
Okay.
And they made cars.
Yeah.
Seats. You did? Chevrolet. We're back in the day. Chevrolet. Sounds good though.
Oh yeah, it does. Yeah. Hold up.
What do you think that is?
Oh, are those more seats?
Nope.
No, that was off.
It's control for the top.
Okay.
The top of the trunk.
Oh.
And it goes right over and clips.
Oh, that makes more sense now.
See this piece here?
Yeah.
It fits right in here.
Right.
Okay.
And I take this piece and I fold it down here.
Okay, that makes sense.
Then that closes.
Yeah.
Then this fits onto this.
Okay.
And the whole thing is sealed up.
Okay.
You ever sit in a T-bird? Want a picture of you in the car?
Huh?
A picture of you in the car?
Sure.
I'll go see the motor in this little lappy over here.
Got you.
We gotta try that one.
Yeah.
Every Friday?
Every Friday, unless it's raining.
We'll do it Friday. The track's not racing.
Well, the top does go up and it does work, but
Since you did that,
Yeah.
every time I turn around, I gotta work on Grandma's Jeep.
Well, yeah, because your Jeep always breaks.
What it is, when you buy a Jeep, you buy a big toolbox.
Yeah. You guys probably know this truck. It's the truck I always film that we work on. So we brought it to the little car show.
Toolbox in there. Buy
Yeah.
a Ford, you buy a toolbox, put it right in the front seat.
I know.
No, I had to caulk the inside
Uh-huh.
because the water, I had it in the back.
Yeah.
Water was getting inside my toolbox and rusting my tools.
No,
I
of
got it
course.
drying, huh?
I said of course it was.
I got it drying.